Hi everyone. First, go to nsindia.com website, go to products, go to equities, scroll down, then go to current market reports, scroll down, click on view all end of the day reports, scroll down, click on daily volatility. The file will get downloaded once you click there. Again, go back to products, go to indices, go to about indices, scroll down, click on Nifty Small Cap 50, click on download list of Nifty Small Cap 50 stocks. Even that gets downloaded. So now you have two files. One has the volatility. There you go. So now go to the volatility file. So this volatility file has around 1600 or 700 stocks, and out of which we need to filter out 50 stocks which are a part of the Nifty Small Cap 50 list. For filtering those 50 stocks, we will need to do a Vlookup formula. So go to another column, a new column, and type there small cap. Then below that, type equal to VL, and then press the tab key. No, sorry, my mistake. Type equal to VL and tab key, and then click on the symbol, the first symbol, that is 20 micron. Yeah, click on 20 micron, then type comma, then go back to, after you type comma, go back to the list of Nifty small cap 50 stocks. Click on the first symbol and the one on the right of it, and scroll it all till the bottom. Select all the stocks till the bottom, and then type comma 2 comma 0, and close the bracket and enter. Now you have got this particular symbol. You have to copy it. You can either do Control C or right click and select copy. Now drag with your cursor till the bottom, till the end of the 1600 stocks, and press V for victory. You get these symbols here. Now wherever it is mentioned NA, it means that stock is not a part of our list. So that now we have to filter it. Take the cursor on number 1. This is how it looks like. Then go to data, click on filter on small cap. Now here NA means stocks are not there in the index, so we have to select only EQ and BE. Remove NA and click OK. So these are the stocks. Now we have a list of 50 stocks. Now we want to find the volatility. Now the current and previous, these are the two columns. We have to convert this volatility to percentages. So select all of them, go to home, go to the percent symbol, and now convert it to double decimals by clicking twice on that symbol. Click twice. Yes. Now we have got the current and previous volatility in terms of percentage. We have to find their difference. So type difference, create a new column, and now type there equal to, take the cursor to the, click on the current volatility minus the previous one. and press enter. Now copy it and drag it down till the bottom so that it applies to all the stocks. Copy, drag it till the bottom, and then press Ctrl V, V for victory, which is the paste command. There you go. So now you have the difference in volatilities of these 50 stocks. We have to now arrange it in the ascending to descending format so that we can find out which are the stocks which have maximum difference. So click on the top left corner, go to data, go to sort. Now here it says my data has headers. You have to select it. If it is not selected, go to sort by and select difference. The sort on column related as it is order, select largest to smallest and click OK. So these are the stocks and what difference in volatilities. We will select only those stocks whose difference in volatility is more than 0. Once you find that, in that case, you will have to identify stocks whose previous and current day volatility both is more than 2% but less than 3%, between 2 and 3%. So select those stocks, and those two stocks which you select need to have a price of more than 100 rupees. So you can identify those stocks accordingly. Thank you.